morning everyone. Today we are here to discuss about the different types of operating systems. Imagine that if you are in a project, you are assigned to suggest some different types of OS for different functionalities of business requirements. So you all know what is an operating system. What is an operating system?
Interface.
So an operating system is nothing but it acts as an interface between the computer and the hardware. So we have different types of OS also provided. So namely to name something, few OS are batch system, multi-programming, multitasking. So I want you all to explain in detail about different types of OS. Can we start with the discussion?
Yeah.
So start.
Myself Harish, I will explain what is batch OS.
Very good, Harish.
First of all, batch OS it is not a user interactive OS. It takes similar jobs and turns into point squads and gives output. The only problem in this OS is while we request a job, another job, the CPU will already another job. CPU will be right.
Good job, Harish. So what he is saying is a batch OS is not user interactive. So we will give the job in the form of punch cards. You will get the job output from the operator. So in this case, most of the time the CPU might be idle. So the example systems that will use batch systems are like payroll management. So where a series number of patients is used, there you will be using batch system. What is the next type of OS?
So I am Guru. So I am going to explain next type of operating systems. As Harish explained what is meant by batch operating systems. So batch operating systems are nothing but jobs are scheduled or like they are made into punch cards like the batch wise manner. So in this type of batch type operating systems, the jobs whenever the job requests an input or output process, the CPU may lie idle for some time. So to prevent these kind of things and making the CPU work all time, they have made an advanced thing called multi-programming systems. It is where the processor, if a process requests input or output request so the CPU does not wait for the process to be get done with the input or output process. Instead, it runs the other process in concurrent and parallel manner. So this is where the advantage of multi-programming operating systems come and how does the multi-programming operating system act.
Then good. Nice explanation. What is the next type?
Ma'am, myself is Divya. I am going to explain about multitasking. Multitasking is nothing but to perform multiple tasks at same time by the user. This kind of operating system is used for
Two different tasks.
We use multitasking in Windows OS, Mac OS, etc. And it is user friendly too.
Good try, Divya. What is the next type of OS?
Myself, Gautam. My topic is RTOS. RTOS is nothing but real-time operating system. This is widely used in like embedded systems and robotics, etc. aerospace like. This is used in like vehicles like anti-braking system that lights systems. This is a specialized operating system and it is designed to handle the hardware system and run applications in real time.
So you mean to say the real-time systems are useful for performance of critical tasks?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. What is the next type of OS?
Myself Deepika. I am going to explain about the multiprocessing system. Multiprocessing system refers to the ability of a system to execute multiple processes simultaneously by ensuring efficient CPU utilization. The key components are it increase the throughput, that is output. Multiprocessing allows users to execute multiple tasks. Like there is a CPU, multiple CPU which executes tasks. Examples are real-time examples are backup and archiving.
Nice explanation.
Myself Tansha. I want to explain about distributed operating system. So from the name distributed operating system, we can easily able to understand that it distributes something. So distributed operating system is a software that overs the connection between an independent network in communicating and physically separate computational nodes. It is loosely bounded to. Distributed operating system performs multiple tasks in multiple systems. It's like having one computer works as one. It is efficiently used in e-commerce and also like managing big data. Its advantage of operating systems in distributed system are scalability, improve effectiveness and fault tolerance, and disadvantage of distributed operating systems are complexity, communicating overhead. And some of the real-time applications in distributed operating systems are Google Bot and Microsoft Azure, Apache Moses. Thank you.
Very good. What is the next type of OS?
The next type of OS is about handheld system, which is used to power the portable devices like mobile laptops and personal digital assistants, and it is easily carryable. That is user friendly. It has user friendly interface and it is portable, and it also have many connectivities like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile networkings. And it has a drawback of it has less charging power, and where it completely depends upon the internet connectivity, which is available most of the times, and it is used in wide range of things in e-commerce, e-learning, and also in industries like inventory management systems and so on.
Okay, very good explanation by everyone. So I hope you all understood about the different types of OS in a detailed manner. So do anyone conclude with what we have seen today?
Myself Mahalakshmi. I would like to conclude about the types of operating system. First, like Harish said, batch operating system. There is nothing but executing the programs without the user help, and whereas multi-processing, it's doing multiple programs at multiple times, and multitasking, doing multiple works at simultaneous process, and real-time operating systems like executing the events at a predicted time, and multi-processing, doing multiple programs in multiple ways in different CPUs, and distributed operating system where it distributes our works to everyone through the network, and handling it's to portable charges and everything. And we have more operating systems and like network, embedded, and more. Let's learn about it in the next class, and I would like to conclude now. Thank you.
Thank you all for the discussion. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.